Hi guys, welcome to a new video tutorial series, and in this video series we are going to build a project with Django and React, and what we are going to build is a quiz app so that we can play offline, and let me show how we are going to do this. So we are going to create this, and this will be a sample of how our quiz app is going to look like. First, we come here, we select the quiz, and we are going to select this one that I have already created. So first, we are going to have some functionalities. The main functionalities are creating quiz, deleting quiz, and playing quiz. And now we are going to play a quick quiz to see how it looks like. So here we have the number of questions, and now we have the first question is, what is the largest ocean on Earth? So that one is the Pacific Ocean. We click next, and what is the chemical symbol for gold? It's going to be AU. And as you can see, for example, if we go to the previous page, our answer gets recorded. And for the next and last question, and as you can see when I'm in the last question, you cannot move any forward. And which planet is known as the red planet? So now we are going to simulate a wrong answer. That's going to be the notebook, Jupyter notebook. And I'm going to finish the quiz. There is a pop-up. Are you sure you want to submit the quiz? And let's click yes. After clicking yes, you have your total answers, the correct answers, and it computes the score that you answer correctly, which is going to be 67%. So this is good. After, what are we going to do? It's creating a quiz. So we are going to have maybe a dashboard like this, where you can see all the quiz that we have created. So you come here, create a new quiz, let's say trivia 2. Let's populate this with some answers. The questions: how many states are there in the US? Say 51, 50, 50, 43, and 53. The right answer is going to be B. So you select this, we add a question. So next, we can write a new question. Now, my question is, what is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Let's say that we have gold, iron, diamond, and zinc. And you come here and you select the good one, that is diamond. So you can do this, you can keep adding new questions, but when you have finished, click here, finish quiz. We're going to have like some pop-ups like this, like created successfully, some validation that's not working, some things like that. So after, I can come to my dashboard and I can click play quiz. And if you come here to trivia 2, you can see that there is the quiz that we have just created, and our score is 100%. So this is going to be the app that we are going to create. My main goal is to create the quiz features, when you can create quiz, delete quiz, and also play quiz. The purpose of this app is not to create any users, because I already have a tutorial about user authentication and how you can create users. But as an example, for example, if you want to create this with user authentication, you can like play offline, and each user can create his one quiz. You can play all the quiz that you create together. So for example, you come here, log out, and after you come log in, you go to your account and you are in your dashboard and you start to play. But for this, we are just going to create the quiz feature. If you want authentication, you can go to a playlist that I have a long playlist about user authentication, and you can try to incorporate that feature around. I'll put the link in the description. And for now, what we are going to focus is to create a quiz with the front end. We are going to use React and Tailwind for styling. And for the backend, we are going to use Django, namely Django Rest Framework, to create the API and the logic that's going to populate our quiz. All the data is going to be persistent, and it's going to be persistent in the database, where Django is going to communicate with the database and send the data back to us. And if you are excited about this project and you don't want to miss any video, like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next one.